I'm going to show you how to schedule a live event on TikTok. And then right after that, I'm going to give you a couple reasons why it's so important and the best time to schedule it. Let's jump into it. Once you get to 1,000 followers, this calendar in the top right will appear. Click it. And from here, you can create an event, enter your information, and once they approve your event, you can even make a promotional video. Obviously, one of the biggest reasons to go live on TikTok is to interact with your audience. But what I've also found is if you launch a video and then 10 minutes later you have a live event scheduled, your video views go up and then you have a chance to interact with people once they've seen the video. There are two ways to find out the best time to go live. Number one, go into your analytics, and at the bottom of followers, it'll tell you when your followers are most active. The second way to do it is simply hit the plus to upload a new video, and as soon as you do that, you can scroll over to live and it'll tell you how many people are live right now, and for a few days, look and see when are the most popular times where you have the most followers. TikTok is the fastest growing social media platform on the planet, and I can tell you going live will really help you to get a lot more views. If you've never been live and you're a little nervous, trust me, I know, I've been there. I was very nervous my first time. I suggest you follow a few people in your industry, and then when they go live, go and check out their video and see exactly what they do. For more TikTok training, go ahead and click the link down in the description, and I have a free TikTok checklist that'll help you set your account up and really get more followers, views, and make more money. If you like this video, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button, and if you want some more information on TikTok, check out this video right here. Once again, thanks for watching, and make it a great day.